Hey, wanna learn something stupid? The Art of War. The Art of War it's a 2,500-year-old book, but it's not just about war, battles, and conflict. It's more than that. Today, I'm gonna teach you something about this book that you can apply to your daily life. Energy. In The Art of War, Sun Tzu stated that you need to use your energy efficiently. What do I mean by that? Let me give you a demo. As you can see, both of them are using a lot of energy just to win the battle. But instead of doing that, do this. Because war is not all about sending an entire army just to win a battle. Sun Tzu emphasizes that the importance of planning, strategy, and efficiency. That's why they use is spy for gathering information instead of using an entire army. You can just send one. And that is a less energy for Sancho. A good example of this in a TV series called Shogun. Instead of sending entire army just to win a war, he just sent a single woman. A single woman and it ended all. And mind you, not a single sword swing in that battle. He just he just won. The point of all of this is efficiency. Now if you have a task, first you need to identify that task. Second, you need to do a plan. Either it's for school, ChatGPT. If you're at work, pumunta ka lang sa CR. Because winning is not all about using a lot of force. Sometimes, the smartest move requires the less energy.